Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So right here guys, I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Toffee Caramel in number 330. You can find this foundation pretty much anywhere. It is the best foundation. I love it so much. It's my favorite. It is the bomb and I love how it applies onto my skin. So right now I'm just applying that, making sure I take out my AirPods and everything, making sure this foundation is applied flawlessly, making sure I don't have any like dry patches. I did my brows and my liner off camera because if I would have did it on camera, this video literally would have been like so long. You'd have been like, what is taking on so long with this liner? So that's why I decided to do it off camera before I began to film it, because I wanted you guys to actually see the whole routine of what I'm doing. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just applying it, making sure that it is all over my face. Next, as you can see, I've been applying my LA Girl concealer in the color medium beige. And what I like to do with this particular concealer is while I'm applying, I like to look up, because once I'm looking up, it doesn't allow for my concealer after I set it to crease. Next, I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless face powder in the color Toffee Caramel. And I use that to just set my under eye concealer. And it works wonders. It actually is matte underneath my eyes, and it keeps me from being oily and sweaty. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be applying my True Complexion Contour Palette, sorry, from Black Radiance. I really like this palette. I think it's fantastic for people who are just beginning to contour. This is one product that I highly recommend, because if you don't know how to contour, in the actual palette, it gives you instructions on how to contour and what shades to use to correctly contour your face. And a little goes a long way, ladies, when you're contouring, because I see so many YouTubers contour to the point of their mouth and it looks drag queenish, if that makes sense. And I just can't stand that look. So if you're going to be doing contouring and highlighting, make sure that when you contour, you use as little as possible, because a little goes a long way. So that's pretty much what I'm doing with my face here. As you guys can see how I just literally created high cheekbones with just using as little product as possible. And if you guys want to update it, contour and highlight routine, I definitely will film that if you guys would like. So right here, I'm just making sure that I'm bringing the warmth back into my face. Okay, looking good. Next, we're going to be applying my favorite, which is the Balm Cosmetics Lippy in Neho. So this is the final look. I hope I didn't go too fast for you guys, but this is the final look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.